Winning a gold is just a great sense of accomplishment because you're not playing for a market, you're playing for your country.
You know, just the fact that you're playing for everybody in the country, you know, everybody's going to be watching.
You know, you achieve a lot of things, you know, throughout your career, and a gold medal is obviously at the top of anybody's list.
Dream come true. You know, not a lot of guys, you know, can say they want a gold medal. You know, NBA championship is different. I keep comparing it because, you know, obviously it's a big deal, you know, but the gold medal is rare.
You know, I'm just excited to hopefully get that feeling again and realize, you know, how special it is.
To be on top of the world in 2008, actually in 2010, and now in 2012 would be absolutely incredible for me and everyone associated with this team.
You know, to win an NBA championship, to win Finals MVP, to win regular season MVP, and to cap it off with a gold medal would be great.